Welcome to Like Health. Olive oil. It's something we all have in our kitchens, but have you ever tried taking a spoonful of it every morning? I did, for 30 days straight. No diets, no medications, just this natural golden oil. At first, I was skeptical. How much difference could it really make? But what I experienced truly surprised me. From changes in my digestion to unexpected boosts in energy. Even my skin started to feel different. In this video, I'll tell you exactly what happened, and why you might want to try it too. Number 1. Bloating disappeared. The first thing I noticed, my stomach felt flatter. I used to get bloated almost daily, especially after meals. But after just a few days, that uncomfortable, puffy feeling was gone. I wasn't walking around feeling like a balloon anymore. Olive oil is known to support digestion, and for me, it really did. Meals felt lighter, even when I ate something heavy. I actually looked forward to how my stomach would feel after eating. It's a small change, but it made a big difference. Number 2. I had more energy in the morning. I'm usually super slow in the mornings. Like, don't even talk to me slow. But about a week into this, I noticed I wasn't dragging myself out of bed as much. I felt more awake, even before coffee. Olive oil contains healthy fats that give your body lasting energy. No sugar crash, no caffeine jitters, just steady fuel. It didn't feel like a boost, it felt like balance. I was starting my day more naturally energized. And honestly, that alone made the whole thing worth it. Number 3. My digestion got back on track. Okay, real talk, my bathroom schedule became way more consistent. I used to feel sluggish in that department, but olive oil changed that fast. It's a natural lubricant for your digestive system, no joke. By the end of week 1, everything felt smoother and more regular. No more sitting there forever, scrolling on my phone. It's not the most glamorous benefit, but let's be honest, it matters. I didn't need fiber supplements or anything else. Just 1 tablespoon every morning, and my gut was happy. Number 4. My skin started glowing. I wasn't even expecting this one, I didn't change my skincare at all. But after 2 weeks, I noticed my skin looked less dry and more alive. Areas that were usually flaky or rough started feeling smooth. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, and apparently, my skin loved it. Even my face looked a little brighter in the mirror. And someone literally asked me what product I was using. I just laughed and said, olive oil? Not on my skin, in my mouth. Number 5. I could actually focus better. My mind felt clearer. That's the only way I can explain it. Usually, I get distracted super easily, especially when working. But something shifted during this challenge. I was able to stay on task longer and think more clearly. I didn't expect olive oil to help with focus, but it did. Those healthy fats? They're brain food. And I could feel the difference, especially during long work days. I wasn't just awake, I was actually mentally sharp. Number 6. I slept like a baby. This one was a surprise. I didn't expect any change in sleep. But after about 2 weeks, I noticed I was falling asleep faster. And once I was out, I stayed asleep. No tossing, no turning, just good rest. Olive oil has anti-inflammatory properties that may help regulate hormones. Whatever it was, it worked for me. I woke up feeling more refreshed than usual. And let's be real, good sleep changes everything. Number 7. I wasn't as hungry all the time. I used to be a cereal snacker, always reaching for something between meals. But after starting this routine, I noticed I wasn't getting those constant cravings. Just 1 tablespoon in the morning kept me satisfied for hours. It really helped me cut down on unnecessary snacks. I didn't feel deprived, just naturally less hungry. Olive oil can help balance blood sugar and appetite. And in my case, it definitely did. That small habit helped me feel more in control of what I ate. Number 8. I just felt better overall. It's hard to put into words, but I felt better. My body felt lighter, my mood was more stable, and I had fewer aches. I felt like something inside me had calmed down. Less stress in my gut, my skin, and even my mind. Olive oil isn't magic, but it's powerful in a quiet way. It gave me this subtle feeling of wellness that built up day by day. And by the end of 30 days, I honestly felt like a more refreshed version of myself. Simple, natural, and surprisingly effective. So, would I keep doing this? 100% yes. But only with good quality extra virgin olive oil. 1 tablespoon a day is enough. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a powerful little habit. And if you're curious, I say try it for yourself. Just be consistent, and listen to your body. Sometimes the smallest changes bring the biggest results. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you're giving this a shot too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new